And super nag-trigger sa asthma ko is the fur ng dogs. And yung air sa taping, that's what trigger my asthma. And yun, after that, I keep on coughing, as in, cough na parang may lalabas na tao sa cough ko. Parang nilalim naman nun. So parang, baka yung aso lumabas na sa akin. And then after that, I consulted a doctor ng cough. So parang, he said na I have mild asthma. So, may prescription na ng gamot and I had my nebulizer. So, I always bring it with me everywhere I go. Kahit na mabigat siya. Kasi syempre, mabigat yung nebulizer ko is malaki. Eh, bakit na ba? Now, meron ng rechargeable. I have it in my bag. Portable na. Ganito na lang siya kaliit. So, parang I need nebulizer. So, parang yun na siya. Before kasi it was big. Diba parang the first one yun. And then nag-evolve na siya into much smaller na kasya na sa bag mo. So I always have it with me so that if I had an asthma attack, like recently I had an asthma attack dun sa dagat. Dun sa shooting naman ng teleserye, and it was late night na. So every day I do tapings from 24 hours, so every day kami nag-shoot. So parang siguro na-trigger yung asthma ko that time. And malayo yung parking, malayo yung car. And then I don't have my PA with me to give me my nebulizer, to give me my maintenance. So parang ang tagal. So umiyak talaga ako kasi yung breathing part ko. So umiyak na talaga ako, tapos ang tigas na ng hands ko. So wala, nag-white flower na. So what they did, white flower, sabi ko, white flower, hindi white flower. And then the brown, pag hindi ako nag-hyperventilate, give me my nebulizer, give me. So after that, may isang staff sa taping. Meron siyang pang-puff. Yeah, and then she gave me. Sabi, ito. So after that, nag-open na yung, after a few minutes, close na kami ng staff na yun. Kasi tinawag na talaga sinong, di ba that's life-saving, parang thank you So parang, you don't know what will happen after that, if it will take mga 30 minutes or 15 minutes pa. Kaya parang hindi talaga joke to have an asthma kasi it really triggers everywhere you go. Parang the air lang or like someone lang na may mas-smell ka na hindi pala. Ay, hindi lang kayo doktor. Someone lang na may hindi okay sa, the carpet. Like, so hindi talaga joke to have an asthma. So parang you have to take it seriously. You have to bring it everywhere you go. Kasi you don't know kung wala yung tao na yun who will give me yung puff. Hindi ko alam saan ako ngayon. So yun.
Yun yung worst experience mo?
Yun yung super worst kasi nasa dagat kami. So malayo talaga yung parking.
Alright, thank you very much, Miss.